Hello and welcome to this demo about interactive analysis for SAP Business One for SAP HANA. The interactive analysis for SAP Business One for SAP HANA contains the cubes and the views in HANA Studio that you can use for a pivot table into Excel. To do so, you go to a client where the SAP HANA client is installed. Start Excel, go to Data, pick from Other Sources, pick from Data Connection Wizard, Other Advanced, go to the SAP HANA MDX provider. This one is installed, the MDX provider, with the SAP HANA client, if it's installed on this machine. Pick Next, type in the name of the host or the IP address, type the credentials, test the connection to see if it succeeds. In this case it succeeded. If you do so, you can pick all the analytical views and calculation views we created with the earlier demos, earlier training material. So I pick the CA net sales, and then you will see a new pivot table. Take the password in the file. You can set where the pivot table is going to be in this Excel sheet. We do it in the cell A1. And here you will find all the measures and attributes we created in this view. If you want to see the credit total, the invoice total, and the net sales amount per year. And I want to filter it on the group name. And just click and drag and drop the values I want to see and I want to filter on. So I drag the group name to the report filter. And you will see I can filter on the groups I want. So if I want to filter on the group large accounts, click large accounts, click OK. And now you will see the results with the filter of large accounts. The net sales, the credit total, and the invoice total for the large accounts, creditors, you will see here. If I want to see the card code with it, I just click card code. And I will see per year, per credit customer in this case, I will see the results. If I don't want the year in it, I just drag the year out of the row. You will find the results for all the customers in this demo. And this concludes the demo of the interactive analysis function for SAP Business One for SAP HANA. Thank you.